how the world spins out of control outside this place. You can feel safe here at home inside these gates. Safe after dark, safe in my arms, so far from harm every night, knowing we're here on the other side of fear. With all you hold dear and all that's important to you, you can't let your guard down, there's too much to lose. Safe after dark, safe in my arms, so far from harm every night, knowing we're here on the other side of fear.
What's important to you is important to us. Ghost Controls takes great pride in serving our customers and their families every day. We're a company built on freedom, safety, and the security that comes when you choose a Ghost Control system. We invite you to learn more about our company and the customers we take care of.